Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this beautiful dark ginger reddish brown body wave unit that I received from UNice Hair. This unit is 24 inches and this is a 13x4 lace front wig. I didn't have to bleach the knots because this unit is a colored unit, but I did go in and just pluck the knots just a little bit. Now I'm cutting my lace into 3 sections. I like to do this because I just find it easier just to work on each section one by one. I'm going in with 2 layers of the Bold Hold Active Glue to lay down my lace. So when it comes time for me to apply my lace, I make sure that the hairline is placed directly on top of where I laid my glue. Now I'm going in with my elastic band and my blow dryer on the hottest heat setting, and I'm just doing this for that extra melt and extra security. I do this process for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now it's time to cut our lace, so I like to cut in a zigzag motion. This gives off more of a natural look to me instead of cutting straight across. And I cut each section separately. Now I'm going in with the Ebin Firm Hold Spray, and this process is really just to help melt down those areas that did not fully glue down during the first initial glue down stage. Now that my lace is fully glued down, I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses cream foundation in the color level 15. And this really just helps to give that extreme natural melt look. Like, this matches my skin tone so well and it just blends in. Like, you can really see the difference. All products used in this video will be listed in my description box below. So when it comes time for me to do my baby hairs, I try not to pull out too much baby hairs because I don't really want that dramatic, thick baby hair look. I try to pull out a thin layer just to give that soft baby hair, sort of natural type of look. I'm using the Luster's wax stick to mold down and flatten the top of my wig. I do this process every single time right before I go in with the hot comb, and I just love using the blow dryer with the hard brush method. It makes everything so much easier, and it just really helps to flatten down that foundation. Like, the top of that wig, it just really flattens it down. It makes a huge difference. And I make sure I have the blow dryer on the hottest heat setting for this process. I wanted to curl this unit, and so since I decided to curl this unit, I went in and cut some layers. I feel like layers really help to give volume and that bounce to units. If you want to do curls in your hair, that body wave or that straight wig, make sure you layer that wig. To add some moisture to the hair, I'm going in with my Fructis Sleek and Shine Serum. And this really it makes the hair smell good, and it just brings more shine to the unit. be doing some flat iron curls, and I'm using my Revlon thin flat iron. I will have this linked in the description box below as well. So for my baby hairs, to get that feathered, soft type of look, I'm going in with my skinny, thin, flat iron and just curling downwards on my baby hairs. I'm going in with the Nairobi foam mousse to style my edges. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn to enhance my parting space. Now it's time for me to comb these curls out, and I'm just going in with a wide tooth comb instead of a skinny one because I don't want to lose my curls. So I'm going in with a wide tooth comb and combing these curls out, and this wig held these curls so good, so well, and I fell in love with these curls. So here's the final result of this wig. From the color and the curls, if this wig did not give y'all full autumn time, then I don't know what will. The hair itself in general is just everything super soft, super natural. Honestly, UNice hair is always gonna be a go-to for me. I've been using their hair since I was a teenager, So right here, the wig may look just a little bit more like volume and like just a little bit messier because I went in and fluffed the hair out. And if you can't already tell, I was really feeling that look. So if you want to go for something for this season, I suggest you go and run to UNice hair and get this wig.